Hey there, health-conscious warriors. Welcome back to Wellness Whirlpool. Today we're diving into the world of immune-boosting superfoods. Our immune system is our body's defense against illnesses. And incorporating these powerhouse foods into your diet can give it the support it needs to keep you feeling strong and healthy. Let's explore the top 5 superfoods that are sure to supercharge your immunity. Number 1, blueberries, antioxidant-rich boost. Starting off with a burst of flavor and nutrients, blueberries are a true superfood champion. Packed with antioxidants, these little berries help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in our cells. They're also rich in vitamin C, which supports our immune system's functions. So, whether fresh or frozen, sprinkle some blueberries on your breakfast or snack on them throughout the day to give your immune system that extra boost. Delicious and nutritious. Let's move on to our next immune-boosting superstar. Number 2, spinach, iron and immunity. Popeye was onto something with his spinach obsession. This leafy green is not only rich in iron, essential for a healthy immune system, but it's also packed with vitamins A and C. These nutrients work together to enhance the immune response and protect our cells from damage. Add spinach to your salads, smoothies, or sauté it as a tasty side dish to level up your immune defenses. Spinach is a true superhero for our immune health. Let's explore our next superfood. Number 3, garlic, nature's antibiotic. The mighty garlic, it's not only a flavor powerhouse but also a potent immune booster. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It can help fend off infections and reduce the severity of colds and flu. Embrace the aromatic and delicious power of garlic in your cooking, and your immune system will thank you. Garlic is undoubtedly a superhero in the world of immune-boosting foods. Now, let's explore our next contender. Number 4, Greek yogurt, probiotic power. Time for some probiotic power. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, the friendly bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is essential for a strong immune system, as it houses a significant portion of our immune cells. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack, in smoothies, or as a creamy topping for your favorite dishes to keep your gut and immune system in tip-top shape. Probiotics are the friendly allies our immune system needs. Now, onto our final immune-boosting superfood. Number 5, turmeric, the golden spice. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice with incredible immune-boosting properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help our immune system combat inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping it ready to fight off any invaders. Sprinkle turmeric in your cooking or try a soothing turmeric latte for a comforting boost. Turmeric is the golden key to a resilient immune system. And that concludes our top 5 superfoods for boosting your immunity. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through immune-boosting superfoods. Remember, a well-nourished body is a strong body, and these superfoods can be a valuable addition to your diet. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content.